To integrate Webflow with HubSpot, start by searching for Webflow in your web browser and clicking on the first option that appears, likely webflow.com. Log into your account by clicking on the Login button and entering your email and password. Once logged in, access your account and navigate to the All Sites section, where you can view the sites you are working on. If you want to integrate HubSpot with one of these sites, click on the three dots next to the site and select Settings. From there, click on Apps and Integrations, where you will see a list of available apps, including Google Analytics and Google Optimize. To connect HubSpot, visit the HubSpot app detail page and click on Install. Then, choose the Webflow site you want to connect to HubSpot. Review the requested scopes, and click Authorize App. Select your HubSpot account and click Choose Account, then click Connect App to complete the integration. This will direct you to your dashboard, where you can manage your connected apps. If you need to install the app, you can do so from the HubSpot website.